Okay, so this is Pop OS by System 76. Desktop's kind of barren when you open it. It's certainly uncluttered. I'm not sure about the graphic though. So all we can see really at this point is the program bar. I'm not sure what the correct name for it is. And again, there's only 4 or 5 icons on it, but I'm sure you will add to those once you start using it. So this is Firefox. Do a quick check on YouTube. Let's make sure it plays nice and smooth. Obviously I'm going to my favourite channel. Hope it's yours too. And after a bit of initial buffering, seems to play quite smoothly. Nothing to prove there, just really getting an overall look at it. And there isn't a great deal to explore on this OS, to be fair. If you're a beginner, it can certainly help you to avoid confusion with the new OS by keeping it minimised. Okay, slightly annoying having to click activities just to open the toolbar. Right hand side should show everything that's running if you were running multiple tasks. Got a terminal, got the pop shop, which is of course the software centre. One thing I do like on this is it's searchable. Certain other operating systems seem to have removed the search box, which I find very frustrating, especially when I'm trying to search by type of program that might not be categorised correctly. And I think I'm trying to find GIMP, and it was there, it's just further down, I missed it, but I'll type it in anyway. Can't see things right in front of my face, and sure enough it's there, second in the list. Just click install, no permissions required. I did find this a little slow installing, more so in a minute, which you'll see. Now I wholeheartedly expected it to appear in the left hand side. I was disappointed there. So I now have to go and look at what software I've got installed, and there it is. So while GIMP opens, and again, it's a slower open than I've found on other machines. I'm not suggesting that the OS itself is slow, it just feels it. It's still a heck of a lot faster than it would open on Windows 10. And I go on about that a lot, it's one of my pet hates, the way GIMP works in Windows 10. Fantastic program as always. It'll just do so much. If you're doing anything with photography, graphics, web design, GIMP is your friend, costs nothing, and it'll substitute for Photoshop any day of the week. Unless you're an IT design professional. So just accept the defaults. We'll have a quick scratch around just to show how responsive it is. Once you've got it open, and that's the wrong tool, once you get it open, helps if you select the pen tool. There we go, and we can make pretty pans. It's really responsive. I'm sure with a graphics tablet it would enhance it considerably. Can you tell what it is yet? So you know, these texture ones responding to how fast you move the mouse or graphics tablet. And there we are. This is my artistic impression of a cat. There you go. So that's GIMP for you. Works lovely. That does not represent what you can do with it, I promise you. So looking at the display settings and background settings. We can change the background quite easily and access all the other settings. I really like this where you can dive in and set all the settings from one screen. It's really useful. That's a very slick way of doing it. Popos may unleash your potential. I'm really unsure about its potential, I've got to be honest. It's very clean and slick, but it's just that little bit slower than other operating systems. But if you want a great genome-based operating system and you're a beginner, it's going to be so easy to use, so consistent, and it also feels very stable. You just get a nose for it. You can tile the windows. I haven't got any windows open. That's your Ethernet settings, that's your volume, that's your power, and that's pretty much Popos.